Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Ban kentiu shushu ika kam jengok kai perthai, haki benta jong kerilum jantia. Ka Sarkar Jala kala menjor ya kejing terwa, jong ke Tnat, jengok kai perthai jong ke Sarkar Jala. Ban Pynlong ya kata masa kabalatep kum ke Meghalayan Age Festival. Kaba kendai Sngi kenti harut kepong Thadlaskein, kabaran ha West Giant Hills District. Menteri Rangba ke Jala konrat kongkal sangma, ha kejing keren berkinong pathai kubor ulai tuo. Ba ya kene kata masa, on sa Pynlong la kumno ha ubnai leber, menta usnam arajar arpo. Nalor kene ulai thoru bakane ke tamasa kanlong ke bakhamper nabaro ke jat tamasa balaju Pynlong hakane ke jilla hakisnam ke bala no.
The government of Meghalayan and the tourism department has decided to hold the Meghalayan Age Fest 2020. This is a festival that we'll be having right here in Lynter Hills. So in Thadlaskein area there will be a festival. As I said, we're calling it the Meghalayan Age Festival because I think we all know that that since this age that we're living in has been declared as Meghalayan era or the Meghalayan age, we have not been able to take advantage of this brand. So we have decided to brand this festival as the Meghalayan Age Festival. This will be a 9-day festival where we will be having programs and activities like hot air balloon. About 20 hot air balloons will be here. These will be done by professionals who will be coming from outside, and this will go on for 9 days, and people can experience the hot air balloon, they can ride on it. Apart from the hot air balloon, there will be other activities where we are going to do, like for example the caving. So there are professionals who are coming in, local people who have been doing caving out here. They have mapped the locations and the areas. So there will be different caving festival and caving programs and activities that will be taking place. Obviously, we'll be having different programs within the area where this ballooning festival will take place, where music and food and other things, also activities will be there. And most importantly, this place will also have 50 luxury tents that will be set up. These are luxury tents which are 5-star tents which have got all the facilities that any 5-star hotel room or suite would have, and this will be set up by professionals again, and this again will be a level which another activity or infrastructure that will raise the level of tourism luxury in the state of Meghalaya, which goes in line with what we have as a policy as a government, which is to ensure that we start to target high-end tourism out here. So these luxury camps, what's the technical word? It's called glamping. So the technical word is called glamping. It's a glamorous camping basically, and we expect a lot of high-end tourists to come in here. We are also taking this opportunity to also bring in different people from different walks of life to come and experience this entire Meghalayan Age Fest that we're going to have. Also during this festival, we are all going to identify and really, I should say, showcase some of the achievers of Meghalaya. So we plan to also pick up people from different walks of life, like farming, like education, healthcare, social workers, businessmen, sports people, musicians, and we want to showcase what they have done, our local people, and develop a story around these individuals and what they have done and how they have impacted our state of Meghalaya. So it will be almost like an award that we'll be giving and recognizing them and linking their story with the whole story of Meghalaya and its tourism. So it will become something that is going to involve the local people also in a way. So this activity also will take place during that time, and we intend to market this also in a big manner, and a lot of activities will take place around this particular Meghalayan Age Fest. And as I mentioned, this is happening right here in Lynter Hills, and we intend to make this an annual event so that tomorrow this will be booked as a calendar event in different tourist programs and different people who would like to visit out here. So this is a very big program, and more details will come out of it later. but I thought that I would just share this with all of you. And I also had a meeting with our members of the district council, CEM and all the EMs were here, and we discussed regarding different financial situations that is there, and we've decided to have a meeting in detail with all the different departments, which is forest and mining, transport, and the district council, and we'll decide and we'll figure out how to move forward in this. There are the issues that were mentioned by the district council also. All those aspects also we will